MDR, right? It stands for, of course, managed detection and response. And I always kind of like to break down the three main words. What is the managed part? The managed part, it is that network or managing the devices on the network or off the network. It could be devices that are remotely used. It could be devices that are internal. So the detection part comes in is to detect any suspicious or anything that kind of stands out that is not a normal task, right? Is detecting what's coming across that network. And from that point, you go into that response. What do you do when you see that red flag? You take all that data you bring across and you easily kind of put it together and you start to decipher.
The threat that used to come in the form of viruses that was affecting everybody's laptop to something that is being used as a weapon against individuals, companies, and governments. We collect flow level information on every flow that comes in and out. We provide the protection from all known threats from day one, and we track them. And like Brian was saying, that we normally will track individual users' normal behavior, and then so that we can actually do anomaly detection as well.
What we've done is we've taken, what used to take a lot of people and manpower to manage, and we've automated it. As we're ingesting that data, we compare it against the dozen different sources of threat intelligence. So we can ascertain really quickly if something's good or bad. So not only can we detect it faster, we can create playbooks where we can automatically block the ransomware from loading before it impacts your customer, right? So what we're trying to do is really change that experience.
To start a free trial from any of our solution partners here today, send an email to freetrial@who'sinyour.cloud. and sign up for our free cybersecurity risk assessment at, once again, who'sinyour.cloud.